Okay, now that you've successfully logged into ThinkTank Engage, the first portion of your dashboard that you'll see is the My Apps section. Under My Apps, you'll see any app that you have either created yourself or that has been shared with you by a member within your organization. For each app listed, you have a couple options. First, you have the ability to edit the app. Clicking Edit will open the app editor, from which point you can add or change existing activities. You can manage the session level settings, or you can change the app level detail, such as the app name, description, and image. Additionally, you have the ability to launch a session based off of that app. So clicking Launch will create a new session, which inherits all underlying app activities, settings, and descriptions. The third option you have is the delete functionality. Clicking delete, you'll be prompted to confirm you'd like to delete the app. It's a double confirmation, so you'll need to click remove and then remove once more. Note, once an app has been deleted, it cannot be recovered, so definitely make sure that you want to delete it and double check before you go ahead and do so. In the bottom right hand corner of your My Apps dashboard, you'll see a purple plus sign. Clicking that will create a new app template. From here, you can add activities to your app's agenda. You can configure and manage the session options, as well as configure the name, description, and image that will be visible from your dashboard to your participants. The second portion of your dashboard is going to be the Live Sessions section. Under Live Sessions, you'll see any session that you have created from one of your underlying apps, or any session that you have been invited to by another member of your organization. Each session has a few options. First, Edit. Clicking Edit will allow you to edit the session, activities, settings, and description, very similar to as we've done at the app level. Additionally, you'll have the ability to launch the session. So once you're ready to actually go ahead and run that session in ThinkTank Engage, you'll click Launch, at which point your session activities will be initiated and you will be ready to run through the session with your participants. And then finally, again, using the drop-down, you'll have the ability to delete the session, and just as before, this is a double confirmation. Definitely make sure you need and want to delete the session, because once it's deleted, it cannot be recovered. And finally, in the top right hand corner of your screen, you'll have your account settings. Clicking the icon, you'll see a drop down which allows you to change your password. You do so by entering your old and new password. Once you've entered those, go ahead and click Change. Your password is now updated. And then finally, once you've finished within ThinkTank Engage, you can go ahead and log out. So that's all we have time for today. Thank you for joining us for your ThinkTank Engage training. For more information and additional training videos, please visit us at success.thinktank.net.